To draw a rainbow heart, we're going to start by drawing a heart. So you come up and around and down, and up and around and down, and join up at the bottom. Now what we're going to do is to put in the shiny bits first. So put a little shiny bit there and a shiny bit like that. We're only going to use 6 colours, okay, because the purple and indigo are kind of the same, and it's much easier to sort it out if we just do like a curve in the middle across there. Then you only need to do 2 on each side, otherwise it gets more difficult to plan it out. So let's do a curve like that. That comes across there. Stop when you get the shiny bit, and then carry on the other side. And then here we'll do a similar thing like that. And then we want the same thickness going across there and across there. Then all you need to do is to colour it in. Red, orange, green, blue and purple. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy so you can come and do lots more drawing. Why not join me on Patreon as well, where you can get colouring sheets and lots more. Bye.